Hi, I'm Layla from Hidden Wires, and I'm joined today by Claus from DALI, the Danish audio specialist at ISE 2025. Thank you for joining us, Claus.
My pleasure.
So, DALI are debuting 2 new products. I'm really interested to hear about these new products. I guess I'm really curious about what each product says about where the AV industry is headed at the moment.
We are, as you correctly point out, we're launching 2 new products here at ISE this year. We're launching a new amplifier, 4-channel amplifier called CI Amp 4750 DSP, and it complements our range of amplifiers. We already have a 2-channel amplifier. So we're showing that, and then we're also showing a brand new angled in-ceiling speaker called M80A. Both products are very much in line with how we approach the CI market in general. We aim to provide sound solutions that are simply better than the competition. And as we continue to expand our product portfolio, we aim to really fit more and more different types of applications.
Amazing. So, in your eyes, what do you see are the biggest issues facing integrators today, and how can DALI help them?
This is a really interesting question. My approach when I look at the CI market, my angle on it is that I think for any custom installer, you really need to take a good look at who your suppliers are and how they operate. We're a privately held company. We've been making very high quality loudspeakers for more than 4 decades now, and we bring that pedigree into the CI market. We are, as I mentioned, privately held. We do not change our way of operating from one day to the next. We have a very clear idea of where we want to be positioned in the market and how we want to work with our partners. So I would argue that we're a very stable, reliable partner. And in terms of the product quality that we have to offer, we're renowned for very high performance, reliability, and very high build quality.
That's really apparent, not just from your products, but from the stand itself today. It looks fantastic. Can you tell me a little bit about some of the AV trends you're seeing, both at the show and in the market?
Interesting question. I would say it's obviously how we view the market, and the trends that we see are very much influenced on where we operate and where we're positioned. The market is vast. And we operate in a niche. We operate in a niche where sound quality matters. We see an interest and desire for more and more high quality audio solutions, but also at the same time, we see a need to fit more and more different types of applications. It has to be easy to install. The product has to be reliable, and the product also has to be quite easy to understand. So that we definitely see as a trend, and it's a trend that is favorable to companies like us, I feel.
Brilliant. Well, thank you so much, Claus, for your time and your insights. It's been very interesting, not just for us as a magazine, but on a personal level as I learn more about the AV industry. So thank you so much.
Doing a great job. Thank you.